I am making maple walnut fudge. Now, never made this before. Got my chocolate chips and my maple syrup. I'm gonna put this in the microwave and let it melt. All right, I'm gonna line my pan with parchment paper. Now this is a test recipe for my new 200 super easy candy and fudge recipes. Coming out soon. And so we'll see if it works. This recipe may or may not be in there. I don't know. All right. Oh, it might help if I had the walnuts. Okay. And my walnuts. Now, if you want more fudge recipes, my Dining on a Dime Cookbook, Volume 2, has lots of 2-ingredient, that's the base, fudge recipes. All right, I'm going to take my walnuts and sprinkle them on top. And then I'm going to press them down. Oh my goodness, going to put this in the fridge and let it set up. Ooh, this smells really good. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. All right, I've got my maple walnut. Oh my, that looks delicious. Okay, now I'm not a big fan of maple, but I don't care. This test recipe is a winner. 10 out of 10.